So you did that shaving in the shower?
No, I wasn't shaving. I was sharpening pencils. Electric pencil sharpener.
In the shower. You know water and electricity don't mix, right?
Why do you keep saying it was in the shower? It wasn't in the shower.
Are you sure? 90% of all accidents happen in the shower. It's a porcelain death trap. Oh!
Whoa, whoa!
Hey! You dropped your wallet! Follow that cab!
Lunch break. Maybe we should take a second to...
Follow that cab!
I'm not sure this is the best plan.
Why?
Well, first off, this isn't a cab.
Oh. Sorry. I was hoping to chase after that cab.
Let's do this.
I guess it is about lunch.
Hey, Angel Breath, can you bring me a coffee?
Don't you have a receptionist to nauseate at your own office?
Yeah, she gets it plenty. But our wireless is down right now, and I've got some important business to conduct.
You're bidding on a bobblehead?
Not just any bobblehead. A Moe bobblehead. You know Moe, Larry, Curly, and Moe. You don't know the Three Stooges?
Yeah, there's Stooges and there's 3 of them.
Crystal, it's a good thing you're pretty. I have Larry and Curly, and soon I will have Moe.
Nutman!
Hi, Fernando. Hang on, I'll call Joyce.
Fernando, it's about time you showed up. You know I can't get through a Monday without your pistachios.
I'm sorry I'm late. The tray seems to get heavier by the day.
Well, let me make that a little lighter for you. These pistachios are to die for. Have I told you how long we've known each other?
50 years?
10 years. 10 years I've been buying nuts from this man. You could retire off the money you've made from me.
I probably could. Actually, I did.
What?
This will be my last visit.
Maybe we shouldn't be rummaging around through his personal what-have-yous.
Well, we wouldn't have to if that family of tourists knew how to drive downtown. One-ways aren't that tricky, you know. There's only one way you can go.
Ooh, Mr. Fancy Pants has a gold card.
That's his name? Mr. Fancy Pants? Boy, but grade school is no picnic.
No, his real name is Smythe, with a Y.
That's even weirder.
Can we just figure out the address so Millie can return the wallet?
I like the brand of your biscuits, Hoss. Anna, why don't you go online and Google this Maxwell Smythe character?
Ooh, for some reason, I'm on a scuba diving site. Oh, I typed Google.com.
Maybe we should cross-reference the addresses from these cards and create a search grid. I saw that on CSI once.
You know, we could just go to the address on his driver's license.
Honestly, Doc, you're like Nancy Drew and the Hardy Boys rolled in one.
You're like a Nancy boy.
I'm going to assume you don't know what that means.
Why isn't Millie here yet?
Because you don't have an appointment with her today?
Why wasn't I told about this?
Why weren't you told that you don't have an appointment?
Exactly. From now on, I want a list of my appointments for the day, as well as a list of the appointments that I don't have. And stop slouching.
Which much?
I heard that.
This is exciting.
Oh, hey, use your phone to take a picture of me giving the wallet back.
My phone doesn't have a camera.
Are you kidding me? Do you have a butter churn at home, too?
No.
I do. An electric one. I got it online. I make my own butter. It's delicious.
Yeah, I'm familiar with the taste of butter, believe it or not. I'll use your phone.
Who are you calling?
For that picture.
Oh, right. Maxwell Smythe. I believe you lost something the other day?
Yeah.
You must have been worried sick with all that personal information in there.
Then go ahead and schedule a meeting for Friday.
Anyways, you don't have to thank me. I'm not a hero. I'm just an ordinary citizen trying to do my part.
Got it, I think. Yeah. Oh, you didn't smile.
Hey, Crystal.
Don't tell me your wireless is still down. Isn't there a cafe you can go to?
Yes, but the view's better here. Hey, someone's up the bid on my mow. Okay, big shot. How about $23?
Potato chips suck. What did I say about slouching? Am I meeting with Taylor today?
He's not on either of my lists.
Good. What are these boxes doing in here?
Surprise! I ordered a whole bunch of nuts for you. From the Nut Man.
What? That is so nice.
Well, I know how much you like them. Plus, you've been kind of a beast cow lately. But not anymore, because I got you all these nuts.
You try to help someone, and this is how they thank you. Or don't thank you. I don't know why the Boy Scouts even bother.
Well, he was a tad aloof, but wasn't it you who said no thanks is necessary?
I lied. I wanted him to give me a big bear hug and say, "Good job, Upton. Hell of a guy."